Alright guys, short here on NASDAQ. We take out this buy side. We have this 1 hour BISI here. Just reached the high of it. As we were wicking into the high of the fair value gap here, after taking out the buy side, that's when I entered. Gonna target the sell side. Stops above this high. 61.5. Entered in the 152.10 macro here. Here I'm on the 15-second chart. Move to the 1 minute. As you can see, we had a lot of consolidation here. Engineered some sell side liquidity. Buy side liquidity above this high. Just swept that. Using the low-hanging fruit of the sell side. If I really wanted to, I could anticipate a retracement down to the consequent encroachment of this 1 hour gap. But I'll be aiming for this sell side just above. Wicking below the mean point threshold of this 1 minute candle, the premium wick of this 1 minute candle. Not crossing the mean point threshold. Bearish sentiment there. If I wanted to get a bigger enter and at a discount and add to my position, this would have been a good entry as it was wicking into the mean point threshold of this wick. Once we get below This candle's low here. Move stop to break even. Okay, wick into that premium wick again, the lower quadrant. I want to see us get below the mean point threshold of this discount wick. Seeing some resistance on it here. Okay, closing below the mean point threshold here. This discount wick. I'd like to see that. Want to see strong displacement past this inversion gap. Price action isn't as smooth as I'd like it to be, but I believe we'll reach this sell side liquidity. Okay, want to see us close below the gap. Or in the lower half. Once we close below the fair value gap candle low, move stop to break even. Okay, moving stop to break even now. I only have one contract, so I'm holding till sell side. If I had more than one, I would take a partial here while moving stop to break even. I want to see us close in the lower half of this gap. I want to see quick displacement through this inversion gap, or I guess sell side and balanced buy side inefficiency. I had it annotated as a inversion for this leg up. For pyramiding, all of these inefficiencies in PD arrays would have been a grade point for entries, for adding on to the position. We had this inversion gap. Could have entered using this discount wick that we've graded. All these up close candles here. On my trading platform, I had my exit here below this candle, so I'm actually out of the trade. If I move it here, yep. We had this low here below or above the consequent encroachment here. This sell side pull, this low rest below the consequent encroachment. So it's fair to expect resistance as we did. We had this small movement up, but as you can see, we went on and taken out this sell side as well. Good trade overall. Precise execution, 6.58 RR. Very happy with that. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time.